Jesus Christ. How did we get here, for God's sake? Stop. An innocent person just passed. An innocent person just passed. A peaceful girl just passed. You people don't want her to rest in peace. Why? Why? Even if una want saga. Even if una want talk, nobody should even call me. I don't even want to talk. Even if una want saga. Someone that just passed. This one will come out, come talk. This one will come out, come talk. On top a young girl that just passed. Is that what we should be talking about? Is this what should matter to us right now? Is this how we should go about this whole thing? Because of Facebook money? Because of peanuts? Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm disappointed. I am disappointed.
Why are you disappointed?
Honey, I'm on video, please. Okay? This is so wrong. This is so wrong. This is so wrong. Iviedo wa dola wa. Iviedo wa dola wa. Bini people waiting they play. Iviedo. Eni kwe gbuwagbe. Eni gbuwagbe a. Somofuna, is it that you've sold your souls to the devil? Wamariye min wari yu wagbon? Hey, a young girl. No waya where everybody know. All of una just carry a matter. I thought by now, una go don dey talk, how is the mother faring? How are those children faring? How will the mother cope? How will the children cope? This person, in case you guys don't know, I'm aware that the mother has just 2 kids. Just 2 children. One just passed. Do you people think that woman needs this trauma right now? So how do you guys think she will feel? That when she's supposed to be mourning her late child, people are bashing her online? Does this make sense? This is wrong.
Adopt me.
This is so wrong. This is so wrong. You people should allow her mourn in peace. You people should please allow that woman mourn in peace. Sharon was an entertainer that the whole world know, the whole Benin know. Both in Nigeria and in diaspora. This girl just passed just like that. You guys did not even mourn this girl. Oh God. I just wish this was a prank on Sharon. Say she just won't fake her death. May she see waiting her people they do to her. You people should stop. Stop it. You people don't have human feelings. The mother is grieved. This woman is mourning. Just 2 children as she gets. One just passed. Let's assume what you all are saying is true. Say she no really take care of her child. She don't do this. She don't do that. Do you think this woman is happy now that this has happened? What is you people's business in this issue? All this saga, one of the saga now, waiting it go do for Sharon and her household. Even if una no forgive the mother, assuming you guys are angry as the family members, online family members, assuming you guys are angry with the mother, una no go because of late Sharon show mercy as una love her and rich. Una wey claim to love Sharon so much. Una no go because of Sharon show the mother mercy. Why you po dragging her? Why you put dragging the mother? Una go they dig out informations. Una won't know who she born for. What is your business? What has the person where she born for? What it get to do with this situation at hand now? The person where she born for. I take concern us now. Is this what we should be talking about? Is this what we should be concerned about? Benin people. Why love Oma? Is this how you people love? Is this how you people mourn the dead now? A young girl just passed with a newborn baby who is less than a month. We are dragging the mother. Don't people realize that this woman needs her sanity to take care of that child? What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of all these things we are doing? Can we put a stop already before what happen to Sharon go happen to our household? Can you put stop already before what happen to Sharon happen to Una? I don't care who sees this video. I don't care who comes out for me. If you come out for me, I will come out for you. Enough is enough. No, I did use my sense. Sharon was my friend. Sharon was my friend. Sharon was this. Meanwhile, you're coming out to saga her. Can't you shut the F up? Some of you now get children for us. Some of you now get wife. Now get husbands. Now they come mock the dead. Now know they fear on life. This Sharon death no fear now. This Sharon death no fear now. Where are you Jinegbuwa? Because of Facebook cheap money. All the money where Sharon get now where? All the house, everything where she own now, where is it? Gone. No, no get sense. Why no? All the Facebook money where they gather. Why you broke in Nigeria? If you die, that house, your family go sell. No, no get sense. That's how I go use saga spoil everything and me money for nothing. I wish say I have access to go to Europe now from this UK. I don't reach there since. Go hold the woman. You people should give that woman hope. She has just 2 kids and one just passed. You people are here talking trash online. Saga. Not by way, not by bed, not by way, not by. Sharon, why did you die? Sharon, you for fight. You for fight. You for fight. I'm coming for the rest of you. This one is just to pass an advice to you all. I can't warn you people. But wamana kirevo. Now waiting happen to Sharon, I go happen to me. If we are not stopped to the saga Sharon name online, now wait till Sharon see for body, now will see for body. If you say make you use Sharon take get money online, now wait till Sharon see for body, you go see for body. And you are one, because this is too much. And if you come out for me, when those saga, because I came to give you a piece of advice, Ebony Sharon me every book and me now know me, I know they take nonsense. I will go take permission. I could come out for now. She can't nonsense be this one. I know they use my brain. Person just pass. For us to the mourn. Now they come out, they talk nonsense. No, bene. Now no get sense. One I can't do the money. Now call herself her friends. Now they fool herself online. Which kind of friends will be? Which kind of love will I get for this girl? Do you even love her at all?
7 years old.
If people are saying Sharon was this peaceful, Sharon was good, Sharon was quiet, she know they look for trouble, and people are even Sharon even worse. She can't life be this one. Una know they use una brain. If you do. Now only una dead this cyberspace. What did they happen? Una we get children. Una we get wife. Una we get siblings. If now our siblings die, if now our papa die, if now our papa, they don't want who you are who. If you are who, why is it not the live video? Una still think na. If una they see that get picture, no they traumatize una. I want a post. Yaya posted a picture Sharon. Yaya posted a picture Sharon. To be happy a picture Sharon Okpamen. Yaya boy. It don't make sense. No, wadola iye Sharon, iye Sharon ma gba ogi je, iye we te Sharon o kan wa yo a. They no kan wa be na je na. And you know, heke by now we all should be doing is just okay. How do we now raise money? How is the burial going to be done? Are they bringing her to Nigeria? Are they burying her there? How are they going to do it? This is what you people. Oh God. Oh God, I can't believe I'm saying they want to be. You people should stop this. Oh, you people should stop this. But stop this thing. What are they do? It don't make sense. For the past 5 days, I don't think I've been okay. I've not been okay. Yes. I know some of you will be like, why? I thought, yes. But there was a time we were friends. There was a time Sharon was my best friend in this industry. There was a time she was my best friend.
You didn't.
So you think because we don't talk, I won't feel hurt? You think I'm happy that she passed?
No.
Why should I be happy that Sharon passed? Why? What will it do for me? Her being alive will do me more favor. You people are coming out. You say you love her. You say you I don't know how you people love. I don't know how you people love. So human being doesn't mean anything to you guys. If you don't see her picture, you know the pain now. I can't even watch her picture. I find it hard to believe Sharon was gone until her friend posted. You guys, stop. Stop already. Leave Sharon's mother alone. Let that woman mourn in peace. I don't care what she has done. I don't care what she did. She just lost a child is what matters to me.
Are
You
crying?
people should let... No, honey, I'm not crying. You people should let her mourn in peace. You people should let that girl rest in peace. Make una leave Sharon alone. Who no leave Sharon matter for mouth? Who go saga Sharon name for Facebook again? Emine Sharon me we go here me. Now what is Sharon see now you go see. Now what is Sharon go through now you go through. If you say make you use Sharon name to make money. Now what is Sharon see now you go see. Now what is Sharon go through now you go through for your life. Now go see her. You will now feel come out. They analyze a pretty young girl. I thought by now the whole Facebook would be as peaceful as anything. Ite we na jena agbuwagbe. Ite we na jena agbuwagbe viedo. Ite we na jena agbuwagbe. Omagbuwagbe o. Who really they grieved? Who really they pained? You'll see chance till they post. Till they talk on live video. Till they post, till they talk, and you say you love this person. How do you guys love? How do you guys do your friendship? How do you guys do it? What kind of friendship? What kind of love do you have for that girl? It just dawned on me that no friends for this life. When I feel more better, I will come to that. How do you guys do your friendship? Because of money. Some of una body to the bet una. Or mighty to post. Or mighty to go. They are bet una. If they can't deactivate Facebook, how una go do na go buy una self abi? Why would you have over there? Because of Facebook. I don't get respect for who come out again. Sharon, where who my darling? Where ba?